मैं आपके घर का नाम बदल दूं तो मेरा घर बन जाएगा क्या?
Tensions between India and China have once again flared up over China's latest attempt to rename places in the northeastern Indian state of Arunachal Pradesh. In a scathing rebuke, the Indian Ministry of External Affairs condemned China's actions, asserting that Arunachal Pradesh is an integral and inalienable part of India. Issuing a statement on April 2nd, that is today, the MEA firmly rejected China's attempt to assign invented names to locations in Arunachal Pradesh, emphasizing that such actions would not alter the reality of the state's sovereignty. This condemnation comes in response to the Chinese Ministry of Civil Affairs releasing a list of standardized geographical names for Arunachal Pradesh, which Beijing claims as part of South Tibet. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar minced no words, likening China's action to attempting to claim ownership of another's property by changing its name.
मैं आपके घर का नाम बदल दूं तो मेरा घर बन जाएगा क्या? अरुणाचल प्रदेश भारत का स्टेट है, पहले भी था, अभी भी है, आगे भी रहेगा। तो ये नाम बदलने से कुछ नहीं होता।
Union Minister Kiren Rijiju echoed similar sentiments, vehemently denouncing China's illegally standardized geographical names for places within Arunachal Pradesh.
China has given some kind of names to some places in Arunachal Pradesh. But I don't understand why they are doing that. We are very upset and we totally reject this kind of malicious activities conducted by the Chinese government.
The renaming issue has been a long-standing bone of contention between India and China, with India steadfastly asserting its sovereignty over Arunachal Pradesh. Meanwhile, the opposition Congress party has joined the chorus of condemnation, urging the BJP-led government to take a firm stance against China's provocations. With tension simmering, the international community watches closely as India and China navigate through yet another diplomatic standoff. Experts weigh in on the implications of China's latest move and its potential impact on the fragile relationship between the two Asian giants. In response to mounting pressure, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government faces calls to take decisive action in defense of India's territorial integrity. As the situation continues to evolve, one thing remains certain. The people of Arunachal Pradesh stand firm in their allegiance to India.
और चाइना क्लेम कर रहा है कि अरुणाचल चाइना का है, पर ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है। अरुणाचल इंडिया का है और इंडिया का ही रहेगा, और हम इंडियन हैं और इंडियन ही रहेंगे।
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.